Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on this laptop. To do this, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices, find Touchpad, open this section, and here you'll find the cursor speed setting. And by moving the slider either to the left to decrease the cursor sensitivity or to the right to increase it, you can change the cursor sensitivity with just one setting. So the default value is 5, so if you want to increase it, go to the right. If you want to decrease it, go to the left. It's pretty simple, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.